The clapping has started. It's pretty cool. All right, hey everybody. I'm gonna make a quick dinner tonight, and I'm gonna be making pasta aglio. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's the legendary dish that Jon Favreau cooks in the movie Chef. And it is a really simple dish, and it basically means spaghetti with oil and garlic. And yeah, I'm gonna cook it up real quick. I'm gonna be using some tricolor linguine. I know this dish is usually used more with spaghetti, but you can pick your poison. These are pretty fresh, so they only take like 3 minutes to cook. I already had a pot of super salty water ready to go. Brought it to a boil, and that's the first step. You're gonna need some olive oil. The only ingredients you need are some spaghetti or linguine, some red pepper flakes. I prefer to add in some lemon juice at the end, garlic, and parsley. So yeah, first step, bring some water to boil, get your pasta ready to go. While that's going, 6 garlic cloves. You gotta peel them real quick. You wanna try to slice them pretty thin. Okay, I got my garlic all chopped up. Let me get a proper. Yeah, this already is. Oh, that's so long. So good. I save a little bit of pasta water, and why I do that is because it kind of creates a little bit more of a sauce at the end, just from the starchy pasta water. Especially if you mix in Parmesan, it's gonna really help not let that cheese get all clunky. So I'm gonna save that for later. Heat that up. While that's going, just wanna really all right, so you want to use about a half a cup of olive oil. I'm just gonna wing it, but I've done it a bunch, so kind of remember. And what you're gonna want to do is slide in your garlic chips. And what we're looking for is to kind of just get these to a nice toasted brown, not too dark. And then we're gonna shut the heat off. Just make sure they're all spread out. This is definitely not the traditional spaghetti olio, however you pronounce it. The way I'm cooking it and stuff, and the type of pasta I'm using, but it's so simple and it's so delicious. You definitely gotta try it if you haven't. Wow, that came out perfect. Turn this kind of a medium low. There it is, got it. Honestly, what I love about this is that it's really easy to scale in a sense that I've done it for a single serving dish as a quick lunch. I've done it as a great date night. And it's just so easy to pick up and just really memorize. So it's a really fun dish to cook a bunch and just get really good at it. It smells so good. I love doing it on a cast iron. I honestly prefer doing cast iron for as much as I can. I think it just has built up so much flavor into my pan that I love trying to cook anything I can on it. Burgers, chicken, salmon, pasta, everything is just so good on a cast iron. I highly suggest if you don't have a cast iron, go pick one up. They're really not expensive. I think this one from Bed Bath was like $30. These are getting nice and brown, so I'm just gonna shut the heat off. Bring in the red peppers. This is kind of to taste. Obviously, the more of the red peppers you use, the spicier it's going to be. Just do a little bit of black pepper and a little bit more salt. Next step is you bring in the pasta. start mixing. I've never done it with tricolor and it looks pretty great. Before I get too into it, I'm going to add my parsley. Might have made a little bit too much parsley, so I'm going to leave that over there. Continue mixing. And then while it's getting in there, we're going to add in that pasta water. That kind of helps create more of a sauce with the olive oil. And then what I really love is adding in some lemon juice. And then all that's left to do is plate it. I don't have any fancy tongs right now. Make sure to get some good garlic chips in there. Some Parmesan on top. And there you go. Spaghetti aglio. Alright, let's try this. It's so good. It's got a kick to it. Use a lot of red pepper. I highly suggest this. So easy, minimal ingredients, and it comes out great. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and yeah, just keep on cooking.